friends, where is my toy? Where? Oh, here. Today I am going to unbox this solar system Jigsaw puzzle. I see this too much. Now this is the front and this is the back, and the rate is 299. Ooh. And the age is 3 plus. And I am 7 plus. But this is 3 plus. I am 7 plus. This is 3 plus 9. No, but Jigsaw puzzles. Now let's unbox this toy. Oh, this is some cards here. There is here cards too. This is the puzzle. Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay, let's open this. Found it. No? Oh, yes. Cards like Earth, only planet that sustains lives around 73 of the surface of Earth is covered with water. Earth has an atmosphere containing 21 oxygen, which help in survival of living beings. Okay, let's put this here. And here's some wow, the quality is nice. Oh, it's stick. Oh, this is helping. This is helping. Wait, I can make this all puzzle. Wow, now let's solve this jigsaw puzzle. Now let me start making this jigsaw puzzle. Everything is finished, but only one left. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it up. Done! My solar system is ready. My solar system is all same. Look.